Mantecón, and today I will talk to you about, well, everything that we worked during the semester of Chem. First of all, I wanted to thank to my classmates that were participants of this project, which are Meli Guajardo, Paulina Ortiz, and Pau Carrizales. Thank you very much. I consider that we did a great team and that the results were pretty efficient. So right now I will introduce you what was the consistent of the project. We wanted to see which one was more effective in removing a stain between a detergent or a soap that is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. To do this experiment, we had different things, different variables, control, dependent, and independent. So I will explain it to you right now. First of all, which were the cleaning products that we were comparing? We chose two non-biodegradable, which are the easiest thing to find in the market, and one biodegradable. The non-biodegradable were Ace, which is a Mexican brand, and Ariel. And the biodegradable material, which was a soap, is called Sote. So, as you can see, the production process of this is soap premix manufacture, ingredient mixing, and enzyme addition. Another thing that is important to add is that for everybody to understand, a biodegradable soap or detergent is made up of natural ingredients, and the non-biodegradable are synthetic or man-made derivatives. Now, I will explain you the experiments that we did, which were um, six in total, but basically three per control variable. Um, our problem, as it is written here, is which is the best one to reduce a mixed berries, which was the stain on a T-shirt. And our hypothesis is if the brand of detergent is non-biodegradable, then the stain of the T-shirt will stay longer in the fabric and will not be easily removed. And as you can see in our test, the first one was made with our control variable, our first control variable, which is hot water, and the second control variable is cold water. The other control variables are the type of the stain, the amount of detergent. The independent variable is the brand of the soap, that you already know, Ace, Ariel, and Sote, and the dependent variable were the results, basically how long is the size of the stain and the intensity or brightness of the color. So our first test for each brand was made with the control variable hot water, and as you can see, these ones were all the results of the hot water with Ace 4 centimeters, and it can be pretty clear to see the stain. With Ariel, it is even brighter. This is stain, sorry, but the centimeters are a little bit shorter, 3 centimeters. And with Sote, the thing is that the stain is more big, is bigger, 5 centimeters, but it does not shine too much as the other ones. And for the cold water, as you can see, Ace can be clearly seen, and it is 5 centimeters. It was not that effective as the other experiment with hot water. Ariel is pretty good to notice that it is not that bright, and it is only 3 centimeters, but it can be a little bit clear for everybody to see. And Sote with cold water was the most effective test done because the size was only 3 centimeters, and the stain can be it is seen that it cannot be visible for everybody. So these are our results interpreted in graphics, as you can see which one was more effective in cold water, in hot water, effectiveness between the variables, that as you can see the cold water is more effective than the hot water for these detergents or soap, and this is an overall of the final results. So now I will tell you, what do I consider about everything? First of all, I consider that it is very important to notice this problematic that many people, most of the people, normally uses non-biodegradable materials, not just for these type of experiments like cleaning clothes, not just for this, because it can be clearly see that it is used for many things. Man-made derivatives are the most used things instead of natural components. So it is very important to see that even though something can be natural and biodegradable, it can has a better result than detergents that are non-biodegradable, and this is something that everybody must search in order to have a more sustainable life. uh, I will totally recommend everyone to start looking up for different alternatives in order to have a more green life and to not contaminate a lot this environment. And that's our conclusions. The objective was achieved, and every brand can be well effective, but the most effective one is Sote, which is the biodegradable, and everybody must search a daily life. Thank you very much.